you for being tuned into Times Now. Another big story from the Supreme Court. It's a big relief to the protesters and environmentalists. The Supreme Court has stayed the verdict that limited the definition of the Aravalli range and decided against imposing a complete ban on mining activities in the Aravallis. Now, the Supreme Court bench of Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice A.J. Masih heard on Monday the suo motu case on the issues concerning the definition of the Aravalli Hills. The case was initiated amid a lot of concerns that the recent change in the definition of the Aravalli Hills could open the doors to unregulated mining and environmental damage. Legal editor Harish Nair, who was in the Supreme Court as the hearing was taking place, joins us on the broadcast. And Harish, there was a lot of outrage. In fact, the Supreme Court also said that there is a lot of misinterpretation as well on what has happened. Tell us what actually happened in the court and what the order today means for the Aravallis and for the people and environmentalists.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. In fact, only after the outrage and also concerns raised by the environmentalists and social activists that the Supreme Court had taken suo motu cognizance of this concerns raised regarding unregulated mining and ecological degradation. Once it is ruled that only landscape above 100 meters will be called Aravalli ranges, and the environmentalists had said that any range below 100 meter will face the danger of unregulated mining. So today, finding prima facie merit in these arguments, the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India has ordered that the expert committee's recommendation and the subsequent judgment of the predecessor Chief Justice B.R. Gavai dated November 20 will be kept in abeyance for the time being. And also Supreme Court has very significantly issued notice to the centre and the Aravalli states, that is Delhi, Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat, and said that all these recommendations will be kept in abeyance. And Supreme Court has also said that it will constitute a committee of domain experts, and after seeking certain clarifications from the Aravalli range states and also the centre. So the entire issue will be once again relooked, because environmentalists had said that all the ranges below 100 of less than 100 feet will be vulnerable to mining, unregulated mining and ecological degradation, rampant aggravated desertification and water recharge areas will be under threat. So finding merit in all this, the Supreme Court has said that it will re-examine the issue and in a very, very important order kept in abeyance the expert committee's recommendation and also the subsequent judgment dated November 20 issued by the Supreme Court.
Okay, all right. So now a notice has been sent to the centre and the 4 states seeking their reply as well. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. To stay with us.